Hello everyone, welcome you all. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see class 10 chapter number 1 real number exercise 1.3 complete solution. Okay, so the total we have four questions are there. The timing of these four questions I have provided in the description box. So if you want any particular question, go in the description box, click it and watch it. Okay, in this video we are providing complete solution for this exercise. Simultaneously what we will do, we will provide the concept also. So what is the concept and what are the things required to solve the exercise or particular problem. Okay, so what we are solving the Telangana board and AP board examination. Let's see the exercise number 1.3. Now before starting the exercise, we have to know some basics. Okay, based on this basic we are going to solve the exercise 1.3. so what does it means take the first type of division. If I divide 9 with 2, so what will get? 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. If I take the decimal, it will be 0, and 2 5s are 10, here remainder is 0. Now take the second case. If I divide 22 with 7, so what will get? 7 3s are 21, the remainder here is 1. I take decimal 0, it will be 7 1s are 7. Now the remainder is 3. If I take decimal 0, next 7 4s are 28, remainder here is 2, decimal is there means 0. Now 7 2s are 14. Now here is 7, decimal means 0. So it is go on in, not answer will won't stop. Okay, it will go on increasing. So now if I take third example, third case, if I divide 3 with 7, so what will get? 3 2s are 6, 1 is remaining. If I take decimal 0, 3 3s are 9, 1, again decimal is there means 0, 3 3s are 9, 1, again 0, 3 3s are 9. So it is repeating. Okay, so this 3 is going on repeating, it never stops. So what does it? I can write this 2.3 bar. 3 bar means what will happening? 3 will increase. So these three different cases, we have three decimal values. In first, you see after the decimal the answer gets stops, answer get terminated. So this type of decimal is known as terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means what? After the decimal value, after some digit, the answer will stops, means the decimal get terminated, means the remainder will get 0. So this type of decimal is known as terminating decimal. Okay, now let's take the second case. In second case, the answer is not stopping, it is continue going on. So this type of decimal, they never terminate, never stop. So this type of decimal is known as non-terminating decimal. This type of decimal is known as non-terminating decimal. What does it mean? Non-terminating means after the decimal value, the answer won't stop. It's go on increasing. Okay, it will never stop. So this type of non-terminating means the answer won't stop. Means that I won't get remainder as 0. It go on increasing. So this type of decimal is known as non-terminating decimal. So in third case, we have seen the answer won't stop, but 1 or 2 3 digits will repeat. Sometime 1 digit will repeat, 2 digit, 3 digit, go on repeating. So this type of decimal is known as non-terminating. Non-terminating means what? It won't stop, and repeating also is there, and digit is repeating. So this known as non-terminating repeating decimals. So 1.3 exercise is based on this concept. Only three types of digit: terminating, non-terminating, and non-terminating repeating decimals. Let's move for our textual exercise. Now let us take the first question. The first question is 3 divided by 8. So I can write 8 is divided by 3. So now 8 is the bigger number, so I will write decimals at 0.2, so it will become 30. Now it go 8 3s are 24. Now the remainder is 6, so decimal is there, so I can write here 0. Now it go with 8 7s are will be 56, The decimal is 4, remainder is 4, so decimal is there, so it will become 40. 8 5s are 40. Remainder here is 0. So you can see here after the decimal the answer gets stopped or terminated, so this type is known as terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Okay, because after the decimal the answer gets stops. So now let's move for the next question. Next question here is 229 divided by 400. So second question we take. Now we will start how we can write this. This 400 is divided by this 229. Again 229 is the smaller number, so we will write here 0 points, so it will become 2290. Now it will go with 5 times. 400 5s will be 2000. Now if I subtract, what will come here? This 290. Again this smaller number, decimal is there, so it will become 2900. Now it will go 7 times. 400 7s will be 2800. Here you can see what will come, 100. Again 100 is the smaller number, so decimal is there, so it will become 1000. Now 400 2s will come 800. Now the here will come 200, and decimal is there, so we will write here is 0. Now 400 5s is 2000. Okay, now the remainder is here is 0. So you can see from here that again after the decimal the answer gets stopped, so this also a terminating decimal. This also is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So after the decimal the answer gets what? Stop. So this is also a terminating decimal. Now see the third question. Third question is 4 1 by 5. It is not 41 by 5. I will show you how it is. The third question, it is like this: 4 1 by 5. It is in the mixed fraction. So this can be written as like this: 4 plus 1 by 5. What I will do, first I will find the 1 by 5. So how you can write this? 5 is divided by 1. Again 0 will be 0. This 5 0.5 2s are 10. So here remainder is 0. So 0.2. So what I can write here? 4 is plus 1 by 5. Answer is 0.2. So again what will become? This will be 4.2. So now again you can see from here that after the decimal the answer gets stopped, so it is also a terminating decimal. Okay, it's also terminating decimal. Now let's see the next question. What is that? 2 divided by 11. So now we will see fourth question as 2 divided by 11. So how can I write this? 11 again divided by 2. So again small number, 0.0 it will be. Now 11 ones are 11 will come, so it will be 9. Decimal is there, so 0. 11 8s are 88. Now 2 decimal is there, means 0. Again it go with 11 ones are 11. Again here 2 is remaining, 9. So means point is there, means 0. 11 8 is a again 88. So the decimal is 2. So now you can see here this go on repeating. Okay, now it will never stop, and this 1818, what is happening? It is going to repeat. So this type of decimal is known as, so how can I write this? 0.18 bar, means 18 is repeating. So this type of decimal is known as what? Non-terminating and repeating decimal, because 18 is repeating. So one repeating decimal, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. 2 by 8 is the non-terminating repeating decimal. Now let's take the next question. What is that? It is a divided by 125. Okay, now let's see last question, fifth one. It is 8 divided by 125. So how can I write this? 125 divided by 8. So now we go with, right, with 0 means 80. So again it is the smaller number, so what we do, again we write one more 0, it will become 800. 125 will go 6 times 750. Yeah, what the answer will come, this 50, again decimal is there, means we can write 500. So 125 will go 4 times 500, so remainder here is 0. So now again after the decimal the answer gets stopped. So this type of decimal is known as terminating decimal. So in this way we have completed the question number 1. Let's move for the next question number 2. Now let's see the second question. Without performing the division, state whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimals form or non-terminating repeating decimal forms. Means what we have to see here, given here are 10 questions are there. We have to say whether these 10 are terminating or non-terminating repeating, okay, without actual division. Okay, in the first question what we have done, we have divided and said whether the number given rational number is terminating or non-terminating. But in this case we have to say these are terminating or non-terminating repeating based on without actual division. We won't divide this. Okay, so now what is trick here? So this will be, now we have follow this, we have to check whether the denominator is of the form 2 power of n into 5 power of m or not. Means what we will do, we will do the prime factorization for every denominator. In the prime factorization we will check whether the in prime factorization this 2 power of n into 5 power m will come or not. If yes, then the rational number is terminating. If not, then the rational number is expressed as non-terminating. So this is the actual case here. Okay, so now catch here, we have to rationalize, we have to prime factorization the denominator. So I will show you each and every question. Start with from 1. Let's see. First decimal is given as 13 divided by 3125. So what I will do here, and now I will prime factorize the denominator. So 3125, I will do the prime factorization. So start with from 5. So how it goes, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, and 5 5s are 25. Now again 625 will go again with 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again with 5 table, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5. So this 3125 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 power of 5. Okay, 5 power of 5. So it can be expressed in this form. Okay, but there is no 2, so I can write here into 2 power of 0. It can be written as 2 to the power of 0 into 5 to the power of 5, where 2 to the power of 0 here is 1. 1 into 5 power of 5 will come 5 power of 5 only. So now this 3125 can be expressed in this form. Yes, it can be expressed in this form. So this given decimal is what? It's terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. How can you say in terminating decimal? Because in the denominator, the prime factorization of the denominator will follow the form 2 power of n into 5 power of m. We have to get only 2 or 5. Remember one thing, if you are getting other than 2 and 5, then it is will be non-terminating decimals. Repeat. Okay, remember that thing. Now next, move for the next question we will do. Our next question is 11 divided by 12. So now let's see the next question. Second question we will see 11 divided by 12. So I will take the prime factorization for the 12. So how can I write 12? 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, next 3 1s are 3. So 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. So there is 3 here coming because there is no form of 2 and 5 because 3 has come. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating form. How can you say that? Because it doesn't follow 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, because the 3 has come here. So only we have 2 and 5 only. Then only the number is said to, the rational number is said to be terminating. Okay, next see the third question. For the third question, what is the third question? We'll say 64 divided by 455. So take the denominator as prime factorization. So I will take 455 prime factorization. Start with 5. 5 9s are 45 and 5 1s are 5. Again 91 is there, so directly one will directly go with 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So 13 again is a prime number. Directly go with 13 1s are 13. So I can write this 455 as 5 into 7 into 13, not in 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So again this is in non-terminating repeating decimal. It is non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, so because it doesn't follow this form. Okay, now let's see the next question for here. Now let's check for fourth question. What does fourth question says? Fourth, 15 divided by 1600. So again take the HCF, prime factorization for 1600. So start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 0 0. Again it goes with 2. 2 4s are 8, 0 0. Again it will go with 2. 2 2s are 4, 0 0. Again it go with 2. 1s are 2, 0 0. This again go with 2. 5s are 10, 0. Again it go with 5. 5 1s are 5, 0. Again it go with 5. 2s are 10. Again it go with 2. 1s are 2. So I can write 1600 as 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. 2 to the power of 6 into 5. How many times is there? 2 times is there. So this is a form. This is in form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So this is terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. Okay, is terminating decimal because this it follows the order here. So now let's see the next fifth question. Now here fifth question, what does fifth question says? 29 divided by 343. So prime factorize the 343. 343 directly goes with 7. 7 4s and this 7 9 63. Okay, again it go with 7 7 7s are 49 and go with 7 1s are 7. So it doesn't follow. So it is the non-terminating repeating decimal. So you can write, I'm not writing all that, just I'm mentioning it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Now let's see the next sixth question. And for the sixth question given here is 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. So you can say directly this is in order, so it is terminating decimal. Okay, it is terminating decimal because it directly follows the 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n form. So it is the terminating decimal. So let's see the seventh question. What does seventh question says? 129 divided by 2 square into 5 square into 7 to the power of 5. So now it is non-terminating repeating decimal because there is 7 to the power of 5 is there. Okay, so denominator should have only 2 and 5. Okay, now here 7 is comes, again it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now let's see the eighth question. Now let's see the eighth one. Eighth one given here is 9 divided by 15. So it can be go with 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 9 by 15 can be written as 3 by 5. Now let's check the denominator will come in the prime factorization 2 or 5 or not. Let's 5 1s are 5. Yes, the denominator is on the form 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of n. So 3 by 5 is the terminating decimal. Okay, terminating decimal because it follows 2 and 5 in their prime factorization of the denominator. Let's see the ninth question. Ninth question given here is 36 divided by 100. Now take the prime factorization for 100. Denominator is 2, 5s are 10, 0. You can directly go with 5 or you can go with 2 also. 2 2s are 4 will come here, 1 2 5s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, again 5 1s are 5. So now 100 can be written as 2 square into 5 square. So this is also a terminating decimal. This also is the terminating decimal because it follows the denominator prime factorization follows 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. Now let's take the last question, 10th question. So what does 10th question says here? 77 divided by 2 110. Okay, now again take the prime factorization for 2 110. So it will go with 2 2 ones are 2, 0 2 5s are 10. Again here go with 2, won't go with 2 because 3 is there, so we 5 is there, so we go with 3. What will come? 3 3s are 9 and 1 is there, 3 5s are 15. Again it go with 5 7s are 35. Again it go with 7 1s are 7. So the prime factorization of 210 gives me 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, but they have no, doesn't follow 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, I hope you have understand the logic here. Just take the prime factorization for the denominator and check whether in prime factorization it come 2 or 5 or not. If other than 2 or 5 it has any other number, then the number is non-terminating repeating. It should have only 2 and 5. Then let's see the third question. So given here is that write the rational numbers. We have to write the rational number in decimal form, means we have to convert this 5 rational number into decimal form. How? By using theorem 1.4. What does it means? So what is the trick here for third question here? We have to convert the denominator into 10 to the power of n form, that is 2 power 5 into 5 to the power of n. So you can write m here, n here, nothing to worry because m and r variable, they may change the values. So in previous question what we have seen, we have converted the denominator into 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. Okay, so if I multiply, what I get? For an example, you consider any decimal is there, in the denominator we have 2 into 5 is there. So 2 5s are what will come? 10 will come. For example, if both having squares are there, so what will come? Square will come. If both are having cube, what will come? 10 cube will come. Okay, so in this way we are going to solve the problem. What we will do means we will convert the denominator into 2 into 5 form, means will 2 5s are 10 will come. 10 to the power of n means it can be square, cube will come. After what we will do, we will solve the question. So how? I will explain you with one example. So 5 questions are there, so you can easily understand what I am trying to say you. Okay, first let's take the first question. First question given here is 13 divided by 25. So this 13 can be written as 25 can be written as 5 square. Okay, 5 into 5 will be 5 square, but here there is a no 2 is there. So how can you write? We have to convert denominator into 10. To convert denominator into 10, we should have only 2 and 5, but for this question we are getting only 5. So what about 2? There is no 2 here. So what I will do here, I will multiply and divide by 2 square. Why 2 square? Why not 2 cube? Why not 2 to the power of 4? No, because it depends upon the what is square is there. 5 square, which value is there, that power we should multiply and divide. Okay, for example, if we have 5 cube is there, so what we will do, we will multiply and divide by 5 cube. Okay, so what is the power here? Same power with 2 we have to multiply and divide. So what will come here? 13 into 2 square will be 4 divided by this. I can write 2 into 5 whole square. So 13 4s will be 52 and this 5 2s are 10. 10 square is there. So 10 square nothing but so I will write here this 52 and 10 square means 100. So this 2 after 2 decimal point will come, so it will be 0.52. So here we are having the power here is 2 is there. Okay, so now let us take the second question. Now in second question given here a 15 divided by 16. So now let's do the prime factorization for the denominator. How we will get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So the 16 can be written as 2 raised to how much? 1 2 3 4. Now there is no 5 here, so what we will do, we will multiply and divide by 5 to which power? 4, because 2 have 4 power, so 5 power of 4 divided by 5 power of 4. Okay, so now what will come? 15 into 5 power of 4, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is 625, 625 divided by this, I can write 2 into 5 whole to the power of 4. So 15 into 625 will be 9375 divided by this 10 to the power of 4. Means I have to write in denominator how many 0? 4 0. This 9375 divided by 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. I have to cut 1 2 3 4 after 4 digit. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, here. So what the answer is? 0.9375. Okay, now let us take the third question. What is the 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square? Now let us take the third question. Third question, 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Now look at here, but we have to get same powers. 2 and 5 should have same power, but in this case the both will have different power. 2 has 3 and 5 has 2, so we have to convert them into equal powers. How you can convert? We can't convert 2 because here power 3 is there, power 2 is there. We can convert 5 square into 5 cube. How? By multiplying it. So simultaneously what we have to do, we have to multiply and divide by 5. So what I get, this 23 divided by this 2 cube into 5 square is there. No, so what I will do, multiply by 5 and divide by 5. So what we get, 23 into 5 divided by this 2 into 5 whole cube. Okay, the square and here power is 1 is there, so basis of same power should be added. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 25 3s will be 115 and divided by 10 cube. So 10 cube means I can write 115 divided by 3 zeros. So after 3 digits I have to add the 0 1 2 3 here. So here answer is 0.115. Okay, now let us take the fourth question. Now let us take fourth question. Fourth question given here is 7218 divided by 3 square into 5 square. Now look here, I don't need 3 because only denominator we have only 2 and 5 only. So we have to eliminate this 3 square. How can you eliminate? 7218 divided by 3 square is 9 into 5 square. So I will cancel out 9 ones are 9, 9 8 is 72, 0 and 9 2s are 18. So it will be 802 divided by 5 square. So now there is no 2 here, so what we will do, we will multiply and divide by 2. 2 square divided by 2 square. Why 2 square? Because here 5 has the power 2, that's why. So what it will become, 802 into 2 2s are 4 divided by, I can write 2 into 5 whole square. So now 802 multiplied by 4, what will get? 3208 divided by 10 square. So the 10 square will be 100. 3208 divided by 100. So after 2 digit I will get, so what I get, 32.08. Okay, now let us take the fifth question. Fifth question, so given here is 143 divided by 110. So I have to write the prime factorization for 1110. How can I write 110? I will take 2 5s are 10, 1 2 5s are 10. Next 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Next 11 1s are 11. So I can write this 143 as 110 as 2 into 5 into 11. So I will, and no need 11, so what I will do, will cancel out. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11 and 3 remain 33, 11 3 is a 33. Now it will become 13 divided by 2 5 is a 10. So what I will do, I will remove this and one after decimal. Your answer is 1.3. In this way we have completed the third question. So what is the logic here in third question by solving? Just we try to convert denominator into 2 into 5 10 in 10 to the power of n form. Then after what you will do, simplify it. Okay, now let us take the fourth question, last question of this exercise. So given here is express the following decimal in the form of p by q, opposite of the third question. In third question they have given in the fraction and p by q form, and we asked to write in decimals, and now they are given in decimal and they are asking to write in p by q form. Okay, so now how you can write this? Let's see first question. Let us take the first question. Given here is 43.123. so what I will do here, to convert in p by q form, simply what I will do, I will remove this decimal, and what I will do, I will write 100 after how many digits? 3 there, so I will write 1000. Okay, so now it will be again in p by q form. If not, if you want to convert this again into our third problem, what I will do, 43123 divided by, I can write this 306 there, means I can write 2 cube into 5 cube. Okay, 2 5 is a 10 into the cube. So we have expressed first question in p by q form. Now let us take the second question. You can see here the second question. If you look at the digits, 0.12011200011 is going on. So it is completely, no, it is completely irrational number. We can't express this number in p by q form. We can't express in p by q form. Okay, we can't express it because it is, you can see here, it is clearly not in p by q form. There is no match for this question. Okay, next let's see the third question. Now let us take the third question. Given here is 43.121212 so on. So it can be written as 43.12 bar. So now we have seen this type of question in our 9th standard. So let us convert this. Let's take x is equals to 43.1212 so on. So I will multiply this with 100. So what on both sides, what I get, 100x equals to, now if you multiply 43.1212, this decimal will shift 2 place here, so it will become 4312.1212 so on. So I will mark it as equation number 1. This is 2. Now what I will do, I will do 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus equation 1. So what I get, now this 100x is equals to 4312.1212 so on. Now again this x equals to decimal here. Here what is 43 is there, 43 is again 121212. So now what will come if subtract this will be 99x. 100 minus 1 will be 99x. So decimal here 4312 minus 43 will be 4269, and after the decimal here what will come, all zeros. So from here I can write x as, x is equals to 4269 divided by 99. If I cancel out, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 is there, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So it can be written as 1423 divided by 33. So if you look the denominator 33, so denominator can't be expressed in 2 power of m into 5 to the power of n form. So you can say it is the non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, because in decimal we go not getting 2 into 5 form. Now let us take the fourth question. 0.63 bar is there, so I can write this as x is equals to 0.636363 so on. If you multiply 100 on both sides, what will get, 100x equals to, and this denominator shift into 2 place here, it will be 63.6363 so on. I will mark equation number 1, equation number 2. What I will do, 2 minus 1, so it will be this 100x is equals to 63.636363 so on, and this x equals to, here 0 is there, 636363 so on. So what we get, 100 minus x will be 99x, and it will be 63 minus 0 will be 63, and here all will get zeros here. So what is the answer here from x? X is equals to 63 divided by 99. If I cancel out 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So it will be 21 is also prime number and 33. Okay. Now again in the denominator we won't get 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n form. It is also a non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay. In this way we have completed our exercise 1.3 also. Thank you.